legislator Job Sikhala was rushed to hospital after passing out, blood is true and is still under treatment. The National Democratic Working Group spokesperson Darlington Chigwena speaks. He said that Sikhala fell ill while he was incarcerated at Chikurubi Maximum Prison.
The actual veracity is that Honorable Advocate Job Sikhala went for medical checkups, clearly cognizant that he was in the dungeons of terror. You know, in a country troubled with the lack of medication, it was so requisite for Mr. Sikhala to go abroad for the sake of medical checkups. He was in the hands of the wicked, who are well known for poisoning people, killing people, oppressing people for the sake of self-aggrandizement. So Advocate Job Sikhala is still receiving treatment overseas. Medical checkups are still going on unabated. However, one thing people of Zimbabwe should know is that the movement is going on even in the absence of Sikhala. We are hitting every corner of the country, left, right, and center through Operation Vusere. This is a people-based movement, not a Sikhala-based movement. Nevertheless, we are hopeful that the medical checkups for Advocate Honorable Job Sikhala will be completed in due course, because the Zimbabweans are in dire need of Job Sikhala. People are at a bus stop waiting for the bus to come. Unfortunately, the bus is nowhere to be found. We want Job Sikhala to be back so that we can work together towards the amelioration of the daily battles people are facing. So the return of Job Sikhala will embolden the masses. You know, the people are jogging in glue. There is a high rate of inflation. People are being evicted from their land. There is poor transport system. Numerous students are dropping out of school due to financial constraints. People are waking up every day with the blessing of an empty stomach, and everything is in havoc as we can speak right now. Hence, we need Job Sikhala back so that together as people, we will accelerate this unfinished business of a mass democratic struggle. So Sikhala is a cornerstone to the mass democratic struggle. That's why we need him back so that we finish this unfinished business.
This is SlyMedia TV, hakudima CV, SlyMedia TV, and this sport and dream street ndazoona ndapa news ndakawandwa name views. SlyMedia TV mandi chinjira ang my dreams. Sly yo ya SlyMedia, Sly yo ya SlyMedia, Sly yo ya SlyMedia, Sly yo ya SlyMedia. Kuchinja vision ya maghetto youth, kuchinja life ya maghetto youth. Kutipa nzira semaghetto youth, kutipa gwara ramangwana rakanaka. Sly yo ya SlyMedia.